Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio water sign. This reading is about your personal current feelings and intentions towards you for the month of April. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your personal current feelings, their current feelings. Scorpio, their current feelings. Six of Swords. There is some communication is coming. Maybe your person want to communicate with you. They want to fix the things between both of you. So there is communication. Maybe you decided to walk away from this connection, Scorpio. Yes, maybe you are holding back. Yes. So let's see your reading. So their feelings, first card, Seven of Swords. So I think your person is a player. Maybe they cheated on you, lied to you in past. Yes, there is something sneaky in this connection. Seven of Swords. They hurt you in past. For some it could be third party situation also. Maybe they are in and out of your life. This could be on and off connection. There is no commitment, but you are very honest in this connection, could be. Definitely there is something sneaky in this connection. Maybe your person is a player. Then King of Pentacles. Maybe they are very career focused. So they only always taking but not giving, because there was Seven of Swords with King of Pentacles. So they're focusing on their career, on their abundance, but not giving any priority to you. Maybe they treated you as an option in past. But Nine of Swords. Now they have regrets. Now they're feeling anxiety. Now they're in depression type of energy. They're missing you. They know what they did to you. Now they're realizing their mistake. Scorpio. Yes. Now they're losing their nights over you. Now they want to offer stability. Now they want to offer commitment to you. That's why Six of Swords. They want to fix the things with you. But maybe for some it's too late, because you decided to move on for some. For some, maybe you will give another chance. It depends on your situation. And the Fool. So they want to take leap of faith. They want brand new beginning with you. Brand new beginning. They hurt you in past. They know. They're realizing. They have regrets. They're feeling regret. So now they want brand new beginnings with you. They're thinking about new beginnings with you. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energy, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So they did hurt you in past. Now they realizing their mistake. They want new beginnings with you. They're thinking about new beginnings, their current feelings. Yes. So let's see their intentions. Scorpio. Under the deck, Four of Swords. Maybe right now they're not talking to you. Maybe they are healing their self, because they're in this energy. Okay, Page of Pentacles. Let's see their intentions. Two times full card. What a coincidence. Again under the deck, Six of Swords. Temperance. So there is no balance in this connection. Maybe your person want to restore the balance in this connection, and within himself also, within herself also. So they're coming back to fix the things. Yes. Their intentions also to communicate with you, because the first card, Page of Pentacles, So they want to say apology, some communication, some unexpected message from your person, and your person may be immature. So now they want to say apology. For some, it could be third party situation, children's also involved. So King of Pentacles with Six of Cups. So you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Now they want reconciliation with you. They are thinking about you a lot. Yes, lot of thinking, and they want to be with you. If you are in separation, they want reconciliation, reunion with you. Yes, they're missing you so much. They're thinking about you a lot. You are on their mind 24/7. I think they now realizing their mistake. And Five of Cups is here. Definitely they're feeling sad. Nine of Swords and Five of Cups. Yes. Maybe you decided to move on. Now they're feeling regret. Now they're feeling sad without you. They're feeling lonely. They're feeling guilty also. Yes. They are missing you badly. Scorpio, your person missing you badly. Their intention is to communicate with you, to say apology, and they want brand new beginnings with you. Two full cards in one reading. Definitely they want brand new beginnings with you. Yeah, they're planning a new beginnings with you. They're planning to come towards you. So there is some message, communication will come because Page of Pentacles is here. They're planning to communicate. First they want to test the waters before coming towards you, and the person involved in this connection could be a lot of water energy, maybe Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on. Okay. Three of Wands. Yes, there is some progress. Maybe it is going to be some delay. Maybe the process going to be some delay, but definitely there will be some progress because Seven of Pentacles is Three of Wands. Yes, maybe you both are waiting on each other, but there is some progress is coming in this connection, and there is a lot of passion between both of you. You both are attracted because Knight of Wands. These are mutual cards, so you both have so much attraction, so much passion towards each other, and you both are waiting on each other. And Page of Pentacles, definitely communication. There will be some communication will open up between both of you in near future. And for some it could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. Yes, right now the mutual card Eight of Cups. Right now you both are in separation, and Ace of Wands, but passionate new beginnings. You both want passionate new beginnings. So I think you both want leave behind everything between both of you, like issues, fightings, whatever. You both want to leave behind everything, and you both want passionate new beginnings. Yes, this card not walking away in this situation. This situation is leaving behind everything between both of you, like fightings, issues, whatever. Negativity, you both want to leave behind negativity, and you both want fresh new start with each other. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see some messages from your person. And I still love you. Options. I realized my mistake. Yes. Marriage. Decision time. And communication is coming. So the messages are from your person and are they still love you. It's decision time, options, they realize their mistake, and marriage. Yes, maybe one person in this connection could have options and they realize the mistake. Maybe one person have to make decision and they still love you, and they're coming back to offer commitment. Marriage is coming and communication is coming. Yes, communication is coming. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.